Hey there, amazing artists! Welcome back to Drawing Flags with Tevain Hunter, the go-to place for all things art. Today, we've got something special in store for you. We're going to learn how to draw the beautiful and iconic flag of Japan. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, stick around because we've got tips that will help you master this elegant design. But before I dive in, let's talk about the hook. The key to capturing your audience's attention right from the very start. The hook for this tutorial needs to resonate with the broad audience. Instead of a generic how to draw the flag of Japan, let's add a twist to make it more engaging. Ever wondered how to capture the serenity of Japan on paper? Today, we are unlocking the secrets to drawing the stunning flag of Japan so you can bring a piece of its beauty to your sketchbook. Whether you're an art enthusiast, a Japan lover, or just something looking for a new creative challenge, you're in the right place. Now, let's get started with our step-by-step guide. Don't worry if you've never drawn a flag before, we'll break it down into simple shapes and lines. Grab your favorite drawing tools and let's jump right in. First things first, draw a perfect rectangle. Take your time, there is no rush. Envision a red circle in the center of your rectangle. This circle is the sun, the heart of the Japanese flag. Pro tip: use a light pencil at first so you can easily make adjustments. As you work on your masterpiece, consider adding a personal touch. Maybe you want to experiment with different shades of red to capture the sunrise or sunset. It's your art, so feel free to express yourself. Remember, art is all about enjoying the process. If you make a mistake, don't stress. Turn it into an opportunity to get creative. The flag of Japan represents simplicity and elegance, so embrace that as you bring your drawing to life. And there you have it, fellow artists. Drawing the flag of Japan is not just about replicating an image. It's all about capturing the essence of the nation on paper. Whether you're hanging it on your wall or sharing it with friends, your creation will undoubtedly radiate the spirit of Japan. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more exciting art adventures. And don't forget to share your masterpieces with me on social media. We'd love to share your unique interpretations of the flag of Japan. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and more importantly, keep having fun with your art. Happy drawing, everyone!